I am announcing 2 new video tutorials, and I want to invite you to learn how to make these charming gift boxes. I'm Leila Torres of origamispirit.com. Join Origamigos today and learn these 2 boxes. 2 boxes that serve as a base for this house, which acts as a lid. The house itself is a design of Roman Diaz. It has been featured in Origami Spirit before. The base boxes, which is what we are going to learn brand new, are my design. Both of these base boxes are made with a piece of paper of identical size as that used for the house. Box 1 fits inside the house and can be made with an identical paper used for the house, identical color paper. That way, the base of that house looks as if it was a foundation and it matches the roof, the color of the roof. Box 2 fits outside the house and can be made of a different color or pattern so that the walls of the house feature that different color or pattern. This will make delightful handmade gifts for many occasions, including the end of the year holidays. I also use this box as a container for my house keys when I have guests at home. They love it. The membership is open now. You can register at last year's rate, but only for a short while. The registration fee is going to go up soon, so don't delay. On a monthly basis, as a member, you will have access to an exclusive video tutorial, an interview with an origami expert, a live meeting to talk about origami and share tidbits, an extra surprise in our Treats and Treasures area, and a community of origami explorers. Click on the link that you see at the upper right corner of your screen or in the description of this video. See you inside Origamigos.